Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the system so updates can succeed. Sign in as an administrator and confirm system time is accurate. Mismatched time breaks store authentication. Once done, open Settings and run Windows Update to install pending patches because the store depends on core OS components. Make sure to back up app data or note licenses so you can restore configurations. These quick steps remove common blockers and let you proceed to targeted store fixes without wasting time on basic setup. Now you'll clear and re-register store components to repair corrupted caches and registrations. First, run WS Reset exe as administrator to flush the store cache. This often resolves download stalls. Next, open Settings, navigate to Apps, find Microsoft Store, then Advanced Options and choose Reset. This preserves data in most cases but reinstalls the app. If problems persist, re-register the store via an elevated PowerShell command to restore missing package registrations. These steps finish by validating the store. Sign out of your Microsoft account and sign back in, then download a small free app to test updates and installs. Make sure Windows Update and Bit services are running because stalled services prevent store downloads. If you still see errors, run the built-in Microsoft Store troubleshooter to auto-fix network and app issues. As a last resort, recreate the user profile. Corrupted profiles can block updates. This final tip, try the troubleshooter first, often saves time and avoids profile rebuilds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.